Derby Productions. Just at Skylark. Walking through the woods. And this is the first time I've been this side. It is. Well, I don't know them, but still. Don't know what's up there. No, if I look up there. Earlier when I came back from there, someone like made a big den, but or trust. Can't say. I actually like it, Daddy. Peace and quiet. Apart from, I nearly got young by a dog. Yeah, boss. Probably thought that I was going to attack his owner or something. But I just give it the evil eye. see what's up here. Oh, about me exploring. It's like some gym. I don't know, or whatever. I don't know what you want to call it. Yeah, must be something. It's like I got them like something for knives and things. Quite good actually. Probably have a little wander around a bit more around in the woods, then try and take some pictures of our wildlife. And I've got to say, I think probably up here probably one of my favourite places to come in nuts, I think. Because it's dead peaceful. No one around. There's a lake there still. You know, I just thought I'd come up here to explore that bit more. Yeah, let's go down now. I'm hot, man. I don't know if you remember rainy day, but I thought, what should I do? Wear my thin coat or wear my big coat? So I decided to wear my big coat, you know. And I'm actually hot. You know, like some people making some dens all about. A swing. Something. Cobwebs. Don't know what that is, but you know. Oh. I don't know where I'm even going. I'm just like, ooh, what's that? That's some cable to rope. Anyway, yeah, I just thought to show you where I am so far. You know the one, you know me, or exploring. Get my because that's what it's all about, man. Exploring Mother Nature, explore the wildlife. Get man, clear your mind. You don't know what's out there. Anyway, ciao for now. Seeing this little place here, or anything, it's all fenced off though. I might just like get up there still, you know. I might just get my long lens out now. So well. See what's up there. Here's where all the birds come. You've got all different kind of breeds here. streaming a bit. Yeah, I think the potatoes are actually amazing. And I'm going to walk up there anyway. And I think I'm just going to turn back right now anyway. Then I'll be going back down some point in the week anyway.